How to fix Instagram filters and effects not showing problem. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram filters and effects, if it's not showing, then what you can do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have an internet connection, then you won't be able to load the filters or the effects that you're trying to use. So make sure that you have an internet connection, and then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you have updated the application, or you have the updated version of Instagram application. So search for Instagram, and then here if you have an update, then simply go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and open up your Instagram application, and here go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon. Scroll down, and here you may have account type and tools, and under that you have to switch your account to a professional account. Tap on switch to professional account, and then tap on continue and get the professional tools. And once you switch your account to a professional account, then you will load all of the filters, or you will have all of the effects or filters. So these were the fixes on Instagram filters and effects not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.